Illarion Mikhailovich Pryanishnikov was born March 20, 1840, died March 24, 1894. He was a Russian painter, one of the founders of the Peredvizhniki artistic cooperative, which broke away from the rigors of their time and became one of the most important Russian art schools of the late 19th century. From 1856 to 1866 he studied in the Moscow School of Painting, Sculpture and Architecture in the classes of Evgraf Sorokin and Sergei Zarianko. His picture Jokers, Gostiny Diva in Moscow, painted in the last year of education, straightaway brought to him a wide reputation. In this small canvas he gives an original solution of a theme of the humiliation of human dignity, callousness and cruelty in the world, where everything is bought and is sold. After depicting the tipsy merchants, who with a jeer are compelled to dance under the concertina and a poor elderly official, the artist authentically demonstrates a whole gallery of the specimens of moral deformity and complacent cattishness. The painting caused indignation in some adherents of official academic art who felt that the young painter appeared as the destroyer of the high destination of the art which was to express in the ideal form the eternal truths. From the outset of the existence of the Union of Peredvizhniks, he was a member, and from the second exhibition he was one of directors of the Union. Although Pryanishnikov lived mainly in Moscow, he often visited the Russian north where he sketched.